We all know that in terms of low prices and high quality products, no one can beat Safari, right? For example, look at this Dove Beauty Bar pack. This 100 gram by 8 pieces pack you can get for just 10 dirhams. Unbelievable, right? Now for just 20 dirhams, you can get 1.5 liter into 2 pack of this Noor Frylight oil. Isn't that amazing? Now I'm going to tell you an unbelievable price. You can get this Molinex blender for just the pocket price of 30 dirhams. Wow! Hi, I'm Gayathri and I know that you're a lot excited to see all of this. So let's get to the point. Right now, I'm standing at UAE's largest hypermarket, Safari, which is located at Mubela, Sharjah. Our favorite 10, 20, 30 promotions is back at Safari, which means you'll get amazing, incredible offers on supermarkets and department stores, including the branded items. I know that you guys are super excited to know more about the products and details about the 10, 20, 30 promotions at Safari. Even I can't wait more. So let's go and check it out. Look at this 5 kilogram pack of Pillsbury Chucky Fresh Atta. You'll get this just for 10 dirhams. Coconut oil is a very healthy option for cooking. Now you can get this Nellara coconut oil 1 liter pack for just 10 dirhams. You can get 18 pieces of Arva water and that too 1.5 liter bottles just for 10 dirhams. You can get 2 pieces of Sierra frozen chicken 1300 grams just for 20 dirhams. The price for 1 kilogram of Pakistan fresh mutton was 39.75 and now it's been reduced to 30 dirhams. If you're planning to shop on December 3rd, an amazing offer is waiting for you, which is this kitchen-made cookware set for 8 pieces and the pocket price for this is just 30 dirhams. And if you're planning to shop on December 2nd, another amazing offer from the household section is waiting for you. That is the Flamingo Melamine Dinner Set 20-piece set. The pocket price for this is just 30 dirhams. You can get this 4 liter plus 650 ml pack of Comfort Fabric Conditioner just for 20 dirhams. 40 dirhams worth of men's t-shirt is now at 20 dirhams and you'll get not just 1 but 4 pieces in that price. 45 dirhams worth of ladies tops and that too 3 pieces now just for 20 dirhams. You can now purchase Sparks men's sports shoe at an unbelievable price of just 30 dirhams. If you shop on December 1st, you can purchase any Paragon soft or hard trolleys of any size for just the pocket price of 30 dirhams. I was not kidding when I said about the brand deals. For example, you can get this 170 dirhams worth Caprice handbag for just 30 dirhams if you come to shop on 1st or 2nd December. Not just this, Safari has got spectacular and amazing offers on more than 500 products as a part of 10, 20, 30 promotions. UAE's 50th National Day is around the corner and Safari wishes you for the same in advance. Not just that, Safari has arranged a lot of offers and discounts through 10, 20, 30 promotions so that you can shop on National Day to your heart's content. What are you waiting for? Visit Sharjah Mubela Safari right now. Safari, world-class shopping experience.